a TG.
And Shan here with another big bang. You,
Yeah, you, yeah, you.
I don't mind, I don't mind, I don't mind,
Video shout out goes to Touch Comedy. Him link again in the description below. So, make sure say una like, share, subscribe to him channel. Comment on him video them and say tell him say TG and Shan say no.
So today is Heroes Day, right? This is the road and see it, people. Yes, so this not working, isn't it?
Anyway, we are going somewhere. You know where?
Oh, we're not in the
We're not going to police that?
Yes. You're going to make the name wrong. Jesus Christ. Yes, so guys, what do you do? Because we're there. Long time in the studio a video together though. It's been a while. You know, put her in a timeout. That's it.
Bob said in a timeout.
Put her in a timeout. Or put you in a timeout.
Never.
1 week and some days.
Shut your
You were in
shit.
timeout.
That's Mother Nature.
Alright? No.
That's Mother Nature, guys.
Stop it. 1 week and
You can't put me in a timeout.
Put in a timeout.
I want to see you.
You can't see my house. Don't hype yourself. Don't hype
Don't
yourself.
bother with the boat.
Because I will show the messages when they say you want to see. Okay. Yeah.
So
So,
message them, we have my message them too. We're gonna die. What kind of carry this?
it's not a car, it's a carry for the house. Shanika going this because she's a horse.
Shut up.
Don't tell me horse shit. Shut up, horse. What she do? Yeah, so when we reach, yeah man, so we reach, we link up, I can talk to you again. I'm out. Shanika can't do me here. You have to learn how to relax, you know. You have so much ear video and can't relax.
I can do it.
You can't.
Just don't want me to do it. I'm afraid I'm gonna act like the last time.
Okay, you fuck it up the last time. People, we are here on the beach.
I'm saying because we find our own private.
Listen, it's not a private beach.
I do a bunch. There's always a loop.
Why would you be saying that on the videos?
Because
You see, nobody can. It's a go. It's a go. Oh,
am I gonna lock me up? Like lock up boy?
yeah. And tell him say past 3 o'clock.
You don't pass on.
Past 3 o'clock.
So technically you can't lock me up.
So not though. And God, you don't start bleach yet. So I want to say people, no want to see TG and Shan get white. I don't make you know. But too dark, would there be more appealing if you bleach out? What do you think? Nah. Egyptian slippers.
No, why the water so rough? Look how far it goes.
Yes. Let's see what would I do. What's swimming at this summer? Can swim? You can swim. Your doggy paddle them. They get higher. Yeah. Next week. Guys, look on the clouds. They're beautiful. Beautiful. See? She run out of the water, I run from the waves. So yeah, so right now, I'm gonna leave for the airport because I don't know. So just stop out at Palisados and just wake up the foot.
And that's the holiday together.
About February the 10th. Don't be sad, stop. You understand, people? So, a TG
And Chad!
and we're out.
Not with another big bag.
Yeah, it's not a plan. It's a sad moment. At the first they were from each other so long, so alright, shine your phone.
Just shit.
Yo, Shabba, on in Friday, no man. Yeah, so don't forget to like,
Share.
comment,
And subscribe.
Keep yourself to yourself. I mean, alien mode, I'm dead on my soul. Right now, just
Airport road this. This is when enough people come park up when girl want touch. Who know? No. You understand me? Yeah man. But right now still airport we are gonna do. Cause today me a fly out guys, you understand me? So yeah, me I leave Shan for 3 months. How you feel about that, babes?
It's gonna be so lonely.
Stop it.
I miss his lonely.
You will have the kids to stay home and watch.
I have nobody
So you want somebody?
for my own.
Yeah guys, so when you not really seen a video with me for now, cause you don't know duty calls, you know what I'm saying? Yeah, know them where they are go already, huh? Oh God.
What the frig is your problem?
Stop, don't cry.
You're so mushy.
Don't cry to the people them. Don't cry. Don't cry,
Why would
alright?
I cry?
Okay, no, you not see me.
Show your shit.
Video call you work? Can't believe you nearly crashed me.
You're not dead.
Now what the fuck? You can't do them thing there.
Let's go fishing.
I'm not on a time, remember? You have to be considerate now. You want me to miss the flight? Watch your face. Oh God, people.
Stop it.
Stop it. Stop it. You stop it.
Yeah, I did.
People, watch your face. Shall I go on the move? Yeah, people. Caribbean Maritime Institution. Yep. Kind of nervous too as well because, you know, Long time not fly, you see it?
And coronavirus!
Somebody else I get to bring come here. You stop smile. Yeah? No more smiling. So that was one of them things, you see me? Yeah, people, you don't know.
It's a shake.
Cha-cha.
It's a shake of the place.
Yeah. This is the Norman Manley International Airport, guys. Yep. So babe, what you gonna do within the 3 months?
I haven't thought about it, you know. I'm trying to think, but I haven't really thought about it.
Sound like you happy than me.
Eh?
Sound like you happy to me I left.
Happy?
Yeah?
Why would I be happy?
You for tell me. See if you feel lighter. So me I go.
Shut
No,
up,
fuck. No. Boy, you feel lighter, come here go away.
I miss working here. Life was so much fun.
You can see somebody where I work now. Cause I don't know. Probably can find out I'm nice lady there for help with my luggage. A joke. People. No running joke there.
Why this day so?
The people over there so hook up them love ones. Babes, they need to find a parking now, you know, right?
There's no parking here, you know that, right? Your vehicle will be towed away.
Nah, tow away.
That them always say.
Nah, tow away.
Where will we go?
When the quarantine thing done and everybody touch road.
I used to work in Leicester.
Yeah, so find some apart now, babes. So
Airport road mash up by the way.
you can get off and get ready.
She extra
Shit,
bad.
extra. The same, so I should do it too. Alright?
Couldn't tell me so the older yourself.
Yeah, I'm busy a vlog for people them. I last video till 3 months time. So I have to make them get something. So right now guys, kinda go have to end the video right here, so
Yep. I'm gonna try to find a parking.
so you know,
You have to go walk home all the way back to here.
holy power in action.
Or you can cross. I don't know, but I'm not really see how
So people,
I eat this.
I hate this, you know. January, February time.
So no videos unless, you know, we can maybe try to do a Zoom video.
Yeah.
I don't know. I'm on there losing mine.
Dog now losing mine. So people, we're out. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog with us. Bye bye. Big up.
So guys, we're really gonna miss TC right now. Like, we're really gonna miss him.
So oh you gonna miss me with the writer so you don't know it's TG and you just got pranked. I'm not gonna wait yet. Yeah.
Whatever.
Oh, later.
Una support, we support him. But I don't really want a drive and a video because, you know, we're not supposed to be texting and driving and all that shit. So, see you guys whenever we see you. So, guys, we don't know if to say. Yeah, so TG just gone now. May I leave the airport. And that's a kind of why we never did a video for a while. If you could have seen, we take about a 2-3 weeks break if it was so long, and we just did a spend time with each other, and you know, I never really want to spend the time on make videos. Not saying that you guys aren't important, but we just there try enjoy our company, enjoy each other company, and spend a little time we have left. And no, it's not like it's a year or 6 months or whatever, but it's still a lot of time. 3 months is a lot of time. So yeah, I'm on my way home now. But I don't know if, well, which part I don't know, I can't go see the plane or the flight now leave till about, what time now? After 12. In flight now leave till about after 1, a little bit after 1:45 it's supposed to take off. So I'm on the way home. So you can leave in the comments down below what you think about him leaving, and if you know how to make videos for our own, what you think, if I should make videos alone, if he should make videos alone, or if you know want the Zoom videos, with the two of us do Zoom videos together. That kind of, I think that would be like a good idea for do a Zoom prank or whatever over Zoom. I think that would be really good. But now just leave in the comments down below. One of us will answer. Yeah, but I don't really want to talk about no more in the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Like we said, don't forget to like, share and subscribe and comment. Turn your post notifications on. So shit, I have a shout out for them.